Spotify has teamed up with Peloton to add a new fitness hub to the Spotify app. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to access and use the Spotify Fitness Hub with guided workouts. Now let's get started. To get access to the Fitness Hub on Spotify, first make sure you've updated your Spotify app to the newest available version. The Fitness Hub is available to all Spotify users, both with premium and free memberships. Once you've updated your app, open Spotify and tap the search icon at the bottom. Then scroll down and tap Fitness. Here you'll find all kinds of fitness content, including both audio and video guided workouts. You can browse featured workouts, or scroll down to find specific categories such as strength, Pilates, yoga, stretching, meditation, and cardio. Whether you want a quick stretch session or a high-intensity workout, and whether you have equipment available or not, there are tons of workouts to choose from. Each is labeled with the duration, type of workout, and instructor. Tap a workout to read more about it. Any recommended equipment will be listed in the description. When you're ready to begin, tap the play button to start the workout. You can pause, play, rewind, and fast forward through a workout using the on-screen playback controls, just like if you were listening to a song or a podcast on Spotify. If you find a routine you really like and want to save for later, you can tap the plus sign to add it to your library. You can find saved workouts under the Your Episode section of your library. That's all it takes to access and use Spotify's new guided workouts. Want to create a playlist to listen to during your next gym session? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.